Randomly take several activated carbon into a ball, buried in the iron box filled with clean fine sand, in a certain constant temperature for 30 minutes. Immediately take out to determine its pressure value. Calculate the average value. 3 is the cold strength. Randomly take several activated carbon into a ball, one by one flat on the intelligent particle strength test, machine for pressure feedback test. Record each activated carbon ball for King indicated pressure value, and then calculate the average value. Unit as above. Use wooden or bamboo strips to dredge. Do not use metal rods. The bearing of the rotating part of the machine should be injected with lubricating oil regularly, and the temperature of the bearing part should not exceed 60 degrees. Stop feeding before shutdown. Stop the machine after the cylinder body is empty. Remove the head, clean and reinstall it for off-duty use. 6. In order to make the motor not overload operation, it is recommended that the user install the current voltmeter. According to the ammeter, adjust the amount of material and water content.